Hi there. I'm going to show you how I print something on a square card in Craft Artist and it all is central to the front of my card. The easiest way I find to do that is to use the A4 landscape page and add guidelines at 14.8 both vertically and horizontally. Now whatever I put in here, I want it to be aligned, both aligned and central to the front of my card. Okay, so let's put a shape in and let's do a circle. Okay, there's a bit of an oval there. I'm going to delete that, and if you hold your shift key down you'll get a perfect circle. Okay, now then you can eyeball this and try and get it as central as you like, or what I do if I sometimes want to make it perfect is draw another square the exact same size as the front of my card. If I make that translucent up here and arrange it to go to the back of the card, then that's fine. If it was coloured, for instance, there you go. So you can still see your white circle on the top. Now let's go back to the select tool. I've got the red square selected, hold down my shift key and I'm selecting the circle as well. I'm going to come down here to align and centre those two together, both horizontally and vertically. Now sometimes that will make them both jump off the front of your card, so all you've got to do is pop them back in, but you do know that the circle now is central to your card. You could actually now delete the red and you know everything's in place. Okay, so you could put text in this could be a picture, this could be anything. This is just a short video to make sure that you know how to centralise it. Okay, all you do now is go and print, and I know that when I take it out of my printer and I fold the card in half, that circle will be absolutely spot on in the centre. Hope that helps. Okay, any questions, please ask.